Hello everyone. So right now we will try to help one of the viewers to locate where we can find the fuse for the tail light and for the signal light, or we call it turn signal. So usually the fuse is located in here, right? So as you can see, you can see all the names in here. So usually right now we cannot see the word turn signal or any brake lights in here, but we can see the modules. So they have different module number: module 1, module 3, module 4, module 6, module 5. So usually it will be located in that area for the fuse. So let's see, I'm gonna try taking out one by one which is which, but you have to use a long nose, this one, okay? And of course we have to turn off the engine. So I'll get back to you. Okay, so after a few minutes of finding all the viewers' request, so you can see in here. Now for the turn signal, it's located on the module 6. So the module 6 is located this one. So that module 6 is in here. This 7.5 amp fuse. So if you're having a problem with the turn signal, when you replace the bulb, everything is new and still not lighting up, or there's no turn signal lights, so it must be the module 6 problem or the fuse problem. So that's the module 6. That's for the turn signal. Now if your tail light, so it's different from tail light and brake light, okay? So the tail light, this is what you use at night, the dim light. So it's located on module number 8, this one. So this is where it's located, this one. It's a 10 amp fuse. You cannot take it out by hand, but just in case you don't have the long nose with you, because some people don't bring tools in their car, right? So just in case you're missing, oh, this is the pliers, sorry. So just in case that you need to replace the fuse, so this is the long nose. There's another set of fuse box inside your engine. So how to take out this one, so I'm just letting you know how to take it off. So right, okay, so how to take this off. This one, there's a lever, and this one lever. Inside of this fuse box you can find this small long nose to help you taking out the fuse, just in case you don't have the pliers or long nose with you. So I'll show it to you how to use this thing. So just put the nose in front of the fuse like this. You see there's a teeth, so you can see there's a teeth, so you can just put that teeth in between on the front in the front of the fuse and just pull it out. See, it's easy. And then just pull it back and open it and push it all the way in. Okay, so aside from the module 6 and number 8, just in case you have a busted headlight, for example, and everything you change and still there's no light, so it's located on module number 5. So it's located over here. And then just in case your brake light it's not working, and then you change everything, the bulb, so you can easily see it in here, the brake switch. So it's located this one, 7.5 amp. And then lastly, just in case your turn signal has no sound, usually we do have a sound, right? Sound for the signal light, and then you don't have the dashboard light, means this one, there's no light, electrical digital on your dashboard. So something like this, you see, it's self-checking everything. So to find that fuse, it's located on the memory, this one, memory fuse. So it's located this one. It's a 10 amp fuse. So I hope it solved all your problems, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.